Alright, to start this tutorial, just take your daughter's hair out of whatever it is. It doesn't need to be totally wet, but I would spray it really wet through just about halfway down the back of her head so that the braids you can gel and they can start really wet. You're going to start parting it down the middle and separating the triangle in the back. Now I have the hair separated. This is the small triangle at the base of the neck that I was talking about, where we're going to anchor the ponytail so that the braids don't fall out. It's center part down the middle, coming down below, kind of halfway down the back, just to make that triangle down here at the bottom. And then I just parted that down. And the top of her head has been sprayed really thoroughly with water. I'm going to add a lot of gel as I braid. As I'm braiding, I'm doing it in small segments so that the braid is tighter. And also I put probably a quarter size amount of gel on the hair before I started to braid that. So this is the first side done of the braid. The braid itself is centered between the ear and the part, so it comes down this direction. And then I continued the braid down another few inches because I'm going to incorporate that into that ponytail later. And it'll just be easier if it stays braided, and then I can take it out of the braid once we finish the ponytail. This is about the amount of gel that I put in her hair prior to braiding it. Here's Bo. Alright, turn in a circle for me. We got these now completed with the center section left out. This has been sprayed and now is gelled, and I'm going to put this all together in a really tight ponytail at the nape of her neck. I used a brown elastic on Tatum's hair since her hair is brown. If you make sure that you get elastics that are the same color as your daughter's hair. I like these Goody ones and I double them up. I did it at the nape of the neck, so it's really low ponytail, a little wider view so you can see that. And then I still have the braids in, so what I'm going to do is take those elastics out and then flat iron that ponytail. Okay, turn around, Tate. Let me see the full view. All the way, keep turning. And with a flat iron pony, I'm going to turn this way so we get a little bit better lighting so you can see her hair. And this is anchored really low. It's easy to pull the ponytail so it's a little higher here, so make sure you anchor it low. And sorry about the yelling child. Nice job, Tate. And make sure you flat iron really good, and that's why I don't wet it all the way down, just because it flat irons obviously better when the hair is dry. Give me a smile, Tate. Ta-da! Oh, also hairspray all over the hair after you're finished, just to make sure it all fixes in and any of those flyaways get where they're supposed to get to.